everyone, I'm Sumanth from Grade 2A. Today I am going to talk about atmospheric pressure. Our Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmospheric pressure. Gravitational force of the Earth is constantly pulling atmosphere towards itself. And the object's pressure exerted by the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Our body is being pushed by atmospheric pressure. But the reason we don't get crushed is we have atmospheric pressure balancing the force of the atmospheric pressure inside and outside our body. Inside our body have air which are pushing outside. Thus, it balances the force of our body. The atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. Let us see atmospheric pressure and what the things it can do. The air pressure experiment. To do that, we need a lighter, a cup of water, some orange food coloring, a glass, and some candles, and also a plate. Let us start the procedure. And as always, safety first. First, we need to color the water. If you don't have any food coloring, you can use turmeric powder. It will give the water a yellowish color. Okay, now, I have my dad to light up the candle. Candle's lit, and let us cover it. As you can see, the candle is going out. There is no oxygen. Now, the cup is sucking all the water. The atmospheric pressure is very important and very strong. There would be absolutely no life on Earth without any atmosphere. Now let us see another experiment of air pressure. So all we'll need to do this experiment is some paper, a glass bottle, a lighter, a balloon filled with water, and a straw. So before we do anything, we need safety. Because part of science is safety. So as you notice, as I try to fit the balloon in, it's not going in. So how do we get the balloon in? Because of air pressure. The air pressure in the ball is equal to the air pressure all around the balloon. We need to lower the air pressure. How do we do that? We'll use science. So we'll need to take a paper and fold it back and forth. Why I'm doing this is so it can fit in the ball. So we need to light it up. So we need fire. So since I'm using fire, I need my dad. Dad, can you light this paper up for me, please?
Yes, my son.
And put it in the ball after that.
Put it.
It worked! Pretty cool, huh? So, but I have a problem. How do I get the balloon out? So as you can see, no matter how hard I try, the balloon's not coming out. It's on there. So we'll use science again. This is where my straw comes in. So I'll place the straw alongside the balloon and the blow. So I'll blow in the air so the balloon just pop out. Let's see. It worked! Air pressure is an amazing thing. So there's another way to lower the air pressure instead of using fire. We can use a straw. So we can seal the balloon all around the straw, and then we can suck all the air. Now the balloon's in. So in the same way, we can use the straw again to take the balloon out. Cool science, huh? Anyone can try this at home. Thank you.